Hello everyone, I'm Moki. Today, we will explore amazing animals from the Amazon rainforest.
This is a jaguar. It is a strong and powerful jungle cat.
This is a sloth. It moves very slowly. This is a capybara. It is the largest rodent in the world.
This is a giant anteater. It eats ants and termites.
This is a howler monkey. It is famous for its loud voice.
This is a pink river dolphin. It lives in the Amazon River. This is a tapir. It has a short trunk-like nose. This is a poison dart frog. Its bright colors are a warning.
This is a scarlet macaw. It has colorful feathers.
This is an armadillo. It has a hard shell. This is a three-toed sloth. It sleeps most of the day. This is a green anaconda. It is one of the largest snakes. This is a spider monkey. It uses its long tail to climb. These are leafcutter ants. They carry leaves to their nests. This is a caiman. Caiman. It is related to crocodiles. This is a porcupine. It has sharp quills for protection. This is a toucan. It has a large, colorful beak. This is a peccary. It looks like a wild pig. This is an Amazon river turtle. It lives near rivers. This is a glass frog. Its body is partly transparent. This is an ocelot. It is a small wild cat.
This is a harpy eagle. It is very strong. This is a kinkajou. It is active at night.
This is a giant otter. It loves swimming. This is a bushmaster snake. It is venomous.
This is a golden lion tamarin. It is very small.
This is a piranha. It has sharp teeth. This is a tree boa. It lives in trees. This is a green iguana. It enjoys warm sunlight. This is a nine-banded armadillo. It digs burrows. This is an Amazonian manatee. It is gentle and slow.
This is a blue and yellow macaw. It is very colorful. This is a red howler monkey. It lives in groups.
This is a spectacled caiman. It lives near rivers. This is a bullet ant. It has a very painful sting. This is a coati. It has a long tail.
This is an electric eel. It can make electricity.
This is an Amazon parrot. It can copy sounds.
This is an agouti. It eats fruits and seeds.
This is a margay. It is very good at climbing.
This is an arapaima. It is a very large fish. This is an Amazon milk frog. It has bright colors. This is a tyra. It is very curious. This is a hoatzin. It is a unique bird.
This is a stick insect. It looks like a branch.
This is a crab-eating fox. It eats many foods. This is an Amazonian poison frog. It is very colorful.
This is a squirrel monkey. It is very playful.
This is a freshwater stingray. It lives on the river floor.
This is a tamarin. It is a cheerful, a small monkey.
This is a red-footed tortoise. It moves slowly. This is a pygmy marmoset. It is very tiny.
This is a blue poison dart frog. It is very bright.
This is a paca. It eats fruits and plants. This is a lungfish. It can breathe air. This is a night monkey. It is active at night. This is a leaf frog. It blends with leaves.
This is a giant armadillo. It is very strong.
This is a river otter. It loves water. This is a parrot snake. It lives in trees. This is a forest frog. It lives on the jungle floor. This is a brown-throated sloth. It moves slowly.
This is a jaguarundi. It is a small wild cat.
This is a silver arowana. It can jump from water.
This is a giant katydid. It looks like a leaf.
This is a collared anteater. It eats insects. This is a red and green macaw. It is very colorful. This is a spiny rat. It lives in the forest. This is a black caiman. It is very large. This is a tree hopper. It has a strange shape.
This is a red brocket deer. It is shy.
This is a silky anteater. It is very small.
This is a glass-wing butterfly. Its wings are clear. This is a peacock bass. It is a strong fish. This is a potu. It blends with trees. This is a forest toad. It lives on land. This is a boa constrictor. It squeezes its prey.
This is a short-eared dog. It is very rare.
This is a tambaki. It eats fruits.
This is a bald uakari. It has a red face.
This is a lanternfly. It has bright colors.
This is a giant centipede. It is very fast.
This is a white-faced saki. It lives in trees.
This is a river turtle. It swims well.
This is a sunbittern. It has colorful wings.
This is an assassin bug. It hunts insects.
This is a lowland tapir. It is very strong. This is a needlefish. It swims fast. This is a red-handed tamarin. It is very active. This is a leaf mantis. It hides very well. This is a giant toad. It is very big.
This is a tiger shovel-nosed catfish. It is a predator.
This is a black-faced spider monkey. It uses its tail.
This is an emerald tree boa. It has green color.
This is an armored catfish. It has hard plates. This is a woolly monkey. It lives in groups. This is a rhinoceros beetle. It is very strong. The Amazon rainforest is full of amazing animals.
These are some animals of the Amazon rainforest. This is part 1. Join me next time to discover more amazing animals.